guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming. If you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. If you have subscribed already, thank you for your support. Today I will be showing you guys how I made this delicious looking egusi soup. These are the ingredients for the soup: red beef, stockfish, dry fish already been washed and shredded, mackerel fish over there. This is ground egusi, melon seed. This one is off. I don't know what it's called in English, so I just brought it out. I don't think I will be using it. That's my Scotch bonnet pepper, Knoor seasoning cube, salt to taste, onion, white sweet onion. This is my ground crayfish. It's still the same, Knoor cube. Red oil. This one is direct from home. Now I will start by cooking the stockfish. It's already been washed, so I will be cooking it like 10 to 15 minutes. Now it's about 10 to 15 minutes. I'll be checking on it to see how soft it is. I know some of you may wonder, this one she's cooking 10 to 15 minutes. This okporoko is not like the one you know. This one is soft. This particular one I am using now, I found out that it is very soft. So I will go ahead and add the beef. For some of you that don't understand what I meant by okporoko, it is stockfish in English. I will be using half of the Knoor seasoning cube and keep the remaining for later use. Adding the salt, I will be adding this vegetable seasoning. I normally use it for cooking soup. I'll be adding it as well. Diced onions. When you finish adding everything that you want to add, just give it a little stir and cover the pot. Allow it to cook like 5 to 10 more minutes. While it cooks, I will go ahead and mix the ground egusi. I will not be using all as well. In a clean bowl, mix the ground egusi or melon seed, as you can call it in English, with the stock or water and combine thoroughly with a spoon. Excess water is not required, as the mixture needs to be thickened. The thicker it is, the easier it is to form some lumps. Remember, the one we are cooking now is the type of egusi when you are eating it, you will be feeling small lumps in it. Back to the pot. I have to check to see if the meat is okay now. Yeah, I think it's done. It's exactly the way I want it. So I will cover the pot and set it to the smaller burner. With another pot, I will heat up palm oil on a low-medium heat. Do not bleach, because bleaching is not required. This is my oil. I will be adding it to the pot. Adding diced or sliced onions. Fry the onions until it is translucent. Adding the melon, egusi mixture, and fry for 2 or more minutes. At this point, the melon egusi have almost absorbed the water to enable it form some pretty lumps. Moving forward, additional water is required. Adding mackerel fish. I don't know if you noticed something about this video. When I was separating the okporoko, the stockfish from the beef, I never knew that the camera was even off. I was busy putting the okporoko inside the pot without knowing that the camera was even off. Anyways, the stockfish is already inside the pot. I just added my Scotch bonnet pepper now. Dry fish. I'm adding dry fish now. So the stockfish is already inside the soup swimming. Now we'll be adding the remaining Knoor cube that will remain earlier. Adding grounded crayfish. Make sure you stir until it's well combined. Remember to test. And cover the pot. Allow to continue cooking for 5 more minutes. Back to our soup after 5 minutes. As you can see now, the stockfish is soft and tender. So I will go ahead and add my fresh bitter leaf. I did not brought this bitter leaf out because it was still inside the freezer. So this fresh bitter leaf. Adding the fresh bitter leaf now. Adding the beef. I did not add it earlier before now because it's already soft. Remember to taste again to be sure that nothing is lacking. Super! Just cover the pot and allow to simmer for 1 more minute. While waiting for the 1 minute, I will go ahead and wash all the things that I use for the cooking. Back to the soup. As you can see now, the soup is done. Just turn off your gas and your soup is ready to serve. Enjoy! You can serve this soup with any swallow of your choice. I will be serving it with rice flour. All the ingredients that I use will be listed at the description box below. Remember to subscribe, like, share. See you on my next video. Bye bye.